Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good
Hello, good evening.
evening, ma'am. Good
Good
evening.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. Okay, everyone, we'll get started. So, last class temperature was done. Temperature exercise was the homework, right? Yep. Okay. So, we'll do this temperature set one and tell me the doubts first in the chat box. You know how to send me message, right? Click on that start a new chat, the blue color icon, and then click on my name, and then you can start sending me the questions. Okay, no doubts from Aditi, no doubts from Samriddhi. Hi from Bhumik. Okay. Devashri, any doubts? Sanika, no doubts. Okay. Jia, say.
Ma'am, can I tell the question name? Because, like, I don't remember the number.
Formula.
No, meaning like the question which I had a
So
doubt.
you
Maybe.
open it up. Yeah, you open it up on your thing as well. And I'll also show you. And have no doubts. Perfect. Anirudh, no doubts. Devashri, no doubt. Manvik, no doubts. Very good. What about others? Please do tell me. No doubts from around 10 of you. That's good news. There are few doubts. Then I'll share my screen and start the question. I'll just share it now. Yes, Naman, please say.
Ma'am, I couldn't do the homework because I have other schoolwork, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for being honest and saying this upfront. So if anyone has not done the homework, please either type it in the chat box or tell me here because that's how I will not be, feeling bad about it. That I figured it out that you have not done the work. Say Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, I couldn't also do it because I had to go to a birthday party. Two birthday parties.
Okay. Shania, you have a doubt in 4 and 6. Noted. Anvita, say.
Ma'am, sorry I couldn't do the homework because I just listened to the class today recordings.
No problem. It's okay, Anvita. Say Parth.
Ma'am, I was doing the extra practice worksheets. So in that question, I saw one question, and you told the rule that first calculate then convert. But in that there were two different units. So we should first convert, then we will calculate, na?
Yeah, in that case, if there are two different units, then yes, you have to convert it in the unit where the question is asked. Like, let's say if there's a Celsius Fahrenheit given and the final answer needs to be in Celsius, then convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius and then add them.
Okay, ma'am.
That is okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to ask another thing. That you said that we should multiply the answer by 9 by 5. So, if the answer we get has point in it when we put in fraction, so how that we put it in?
The word only, the number only has a decimal in it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Before multiplying by 9 by 5.
Yeah, don't worry, Parth. We will do that in detail in the decimals chapter. So basically, whenever this situation occurs, you have to assume that there is no decimal and do the question. I'll just show you one small example. Let's say, second, I'll just show you a small example. Meanwhile, others, recollect your doubts and send me in the chat box. I'll do the doubts. So in this question, imagine Parth where the option is 20.5. Okay. So suppose they want you to convert it into Fahrenheit. It's 20.5 degrees Celsius and you need to convert it to Fahrenheit. So what is the degree? What is the formula into?
Ma'am, into 9 by 5.
E plus?
Plus 32, ma'am.
Correct. So here, suppose we already have a decimal here. So what would we do? We will assume that there is no decimal and we will count it as 205. Okay, Parth? So now we will divide 205 by 5 and that will give me 41. Okay. Now, once I get the answer as 41, I'll remember, no, my final answer should have one digit after the decimal because the original number also had one digit after the decimal. So therefore, this part will become 4.1. And then you have to do the same operation, 4.1 into 9 and plus 32. How would you do multiplication again? Same process. Imagine there is no decimal and you multiply 41 with 9. You get a 9, you get a 36. And then you suddenly remember, oh no, I had one digit after the decimal. So my answer should also have one digit after the decimal. And that's how you get 36.9 plus 32. And that's how you add it up. So your answer will be 9, 8 and 6, 68.9 degree Fahrenheit. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I thought that we should keep the point as it is, and in the answer we should put a point.
No problem. But see, I'll tell you the perspective. So the way how the worksheets are designed is, it's like a complete revision. So you remember I told you earlier also, I understand that now you're free, you want to do worksheets, do it, no problem. But I'm just telling you that the way the worksheets are designed is, when a person is completely done with his syllabus, like done with the decimals also, done with percentages also, done with all the chapters, then there are chapters, like there are questions in the worksheet where you will find decimals also and what do you call, like here, temperature also. They're clubbed together. One question has 2-3 chapters in it. So that's why. No problem. If you come across these things, it's okay. We'll cover that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, fine then everyone. Let's start with the doubts. 4 and 6 was the last I read. I'll just quickly take up others also. No doubt from Bhumik, no doubt from Shrihan. Oh, he has not done the homework. Say, Ibrahim.
See the question.
Yeah, wait. Rianshi, 9 and 10 doubts, okay? Ibrahim, where is the question? Don't worry, that was just an imaginary question I was explaining him. Part say,
Ma'am, again that chat one.
yeah, same. So click on that blue color icon at the top part, the blue color pen. Click on that and click on my name. And then a new box will come at the top. Then start sending you message.
Ma'am, now I can enter it from there only.
Yes. Okay, done. Fine, Vedant, say, done the work, not done the work.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I have not done the work because I thought you said there was no homework.
I have written it on the chat also.
Okay, ma'am, sorry, ma'am. And also, ma'am, when I was about to send the message to you, when I click enter button, it is not even coming, ma'am.
No, click on the top, that icon, the pencil icon, blue color.
Ma'am, I
Start a
did
new
that.
chat.
I went to your name, I have typed the message, and I followed the steps that you told.
Okay, I'm sending
And
you
I
a
have
hi.
sent the
Hi,
message.
you will get it. I got it. Question number 9, Path. Wait, I'll
And I-
send you.
And I have entered, tap the enter button, but it is not coming.
Okay, I've sent you a hello. You will see my name at the top as a new circle. So click on that.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
have a look,
Right.
everyone. Then 4 and 6, 9 and 10. 4 questions. Okay, have a look. Question number 4 will help you to revise your concepts again. So have a look. 212 degree Fahrenheit. The yes, Anvita.
Ma'am, I think my chat is not working. It's showing something like new chat, main chat.
Yeah, click on new chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Then click on my name, Priyasha.
Ma'am, Priyasha.
Yeah, click on P there.
Okay.
Select my name
Yeah.
and then start. Then write something in that.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send you a hi.
Okay, I'm also sending you a hi. It will be easier for you. Try now. See, my name would be there at the top now. Can you click on it? Thank you for the answers, everyone. Yes, Janvi, just like that.
Ma'am, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it, Anvita.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine then, everyone. Let's discuss this formula quickly. Advika, let's start with you. Do you remember the formula of Fahrenheit to Celsius?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me quickly. You can refer your notes also, no problem. Say.
Yes.
So Fahrenheit to Celsius. So
Bhumik, I remember I read your chat. You don't have to raise your hand for answering the questions. Rule is rule for everyone. Yes, Advika.
ma'am, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you multiply 5 by 9. No, wait. So first you minus 32
Correct.
Fahrenheit and then
Multiplied with
multiplied with 9 by 5.
5 by 9, Advika. 9 by 5 was for Celsius. This is 5 by 9.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
How
ma'am.
would you remember this? Okay, guys, there's another shortcut trick to remember this. The Fahrenheit degrees are always big, big numbers, right? Like the Celsius is a small number and a Fahrenheit temperature is a bigger temperature. So that's why when you're converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, your final answer will be smaller. And your final answer to be smaller, you need an improper fraction or a proper fraction. You need a proper fraction. So 5 by 9 is a proper fraction. Remember it like this. Say Bhumik.
Don't have a doubt, but I want to say, please ask all to say what I have written in the chat.
Bhumik. First, let's finish the work, please.
Okay.
Say Manasvi.
Sorry to join in because मेरे भाई की क्लास चल रही थी.
No problem. Okay, Arnav, tell me what numbers to put in the formula.
Ma'am, what?
What numbers to put in this formula?
Ma'am, first we have to minus with 32. 212 minus 32. So we will get 180 and then we have to multiply by 5 by 9.
Thank you, Arnav. Thank you. That much I needed. 180 needs to be divided by 9. So, Bhumik, tell me how much is 180 divided by 9?
Ma'am, 180 divided by 5 by 9 is equals to 100.
How much?
100.
No, I asked you
180.
180 divided by 9. This and this.
9.
9 is in
Oh,
the
sorry,
denominator,
sorry.
no, Bhumik? So, divide it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. 9. Cut 9. Write 1. Cut that and write 9 times. No. 1 second, ma'am. Give me 1 second. I'm doing.
Ibrahim. Good, thank you. Vedant. Jia, doubt?
No, ma'am, I was saying I saw the doubt which I had. It's question number 9.
Okay. Yeah, Bhumik.
500. 20 and 20 into 5.
No, thank you. I asked you only division. So 180 divided by 9 is 20. Now, Anvita, 20 times 5. Anvita, 20
Yes,
times
ma'am.
5.
Ma'am,
20
20
times
into
5.
5. It's 100, ma'am.
That's right. 100 degrees Celsius is the final answer, everyone. Option D. Is that okay? Number 4, Shania. Give me a confirmation. Say a yes. You can unmute and say yes.
I was just having a confusion in something, but then when you explained it, I got the right answer, D.
Very nice. Good. For number 6 also, confirm me. This is Fahrenheit to Celsius again. So again, we'll be using the same formula. Mishika, can you help me with this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, just do the operation. Subtract it. 257 minus 32. Only this much.
Ma'am, 200 225 into 5.
Thank you, Mishika. That's fine. Then after this, we have the next one. So, Devashri, 225 divided by 9, please.
$25.
25. Thank you. Manvik, 25 times 5.
Ma'am, 125.
125 degrees Celsius. Everyone, please check 6A. Shania, did you understand? Thank you. Sejia.
Ma'am, I'm saying that how did you get 257?
Question.
Oh, okay. I was seeing the 7th question by mistake.
Okay. The next one is number 9. Doubt of quite a lot of people. Oh, I know what is this. Henry wanted to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius. So let's first do it step by step. We'll subtract 32 from it. So Aditi, 392 minus 32.
Ma'am, it's 360.
It is 360. 360 divided by 9. Naman, 360 divided by 9.
Ma'am, 30 seconds.
Dang, ta-dang, 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 ta-dang. 15 seconds are out.
Ma'am, 40.
That's right. 40. Now we have to multiply 40 with the 5. So let's ask Shrihan to do that. Shrihan, 40 times 5.
Ma'am, 200.
200 has how many zeros, Reyanshi?
2.
2 zeros. So what should be the answer?
B.
Thank you. Those who had a doubt in the 9th question, ask. Jia, did you understand? Parth, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Ibrahim, you had a doubt in this? Someone else also had a doubt in 9 and 10. Who was that?
Ma'am, I also understood. Doubt?
Good. Thank you. Reyanshi, you had a doubt. Oh, you had a question. Oops.
Ma'am, I understood.
Thank you, Jia. Fine, everyone. Next, come to the 10th one. So in the 10th question, let's scroll down. Yes, Nanika, ask.
Yeah, this one.
No raising hand and answering questions. Rules are rules for everyone, Nanika. If I did not allow Bhumik, I'll not allow you also. Sorry. Okay, Samriddhi Srivastav. What number should we add to a temperature in Celsius to convert it into Kelvin? This is a theoretical answer. It's the formula we learned. What is that?
It's a single answer, option D.
Correct. Reyanshi, remember the formula? The temperature in Celsius plus 273, Naman, don't annotate, plus 273.15 is equals to the temperature in Kelvin. Okay? Okay, as we decided, today we are going to have an in-class test of temperature. Fine. You people will be having 1.5 minutes, maximum 2 minutes for doing a question by yourself. And then I'll immediately start answering. Like, let's do it like this way, that after every 3 questions, I'll start solving the question. So for 3 questions, you can do it by yourself. I can give you a 5 minutes timer or something like that. Okay? Fine. Depends on the question. Sometimes the questions can be super duper easy. Fine. Okay. No more doubts.
Okay,
Guys, if you have written something in the chat box which is urgent, then please raise your hand and tell it. No problem in that, because the chats are multiple because of different windows. So I have like 28 windows open now. So it's better that you can raise your hand and tell me if there is anything urgent you want to say. Fine? Anytime. Okay. Chat. Yes. Say, Sadhna.
Ma'am, should we if you give the link, so we have to click it and we have to do it back.
No. You don't have to submit the answers. Here you have to just type it in the chat box and do it personally. I mean, check your answers after every 5 minutes when I will be sharing the right answer with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. Some more doubts. 1 second. Say, Nanika. Nanika, unmute and speak.
Ma'am, can I join from another device?
Yeah, please. Say, Manvik.
Um,
Ma'am, I was thinking like that. Do we have to do like you will set this ring? We have to open it.
No.
Put the
You have to see
answer
my
and give it.
screen. No. I'll share my screen. Why have they written answer key over the question? I just got scared. What if they saw the answers? Oh my God. And I'm like, oh no, these are the questions. Fine. Okay, so here are 3 questions on your screen. I'll start a timer of 5 minutes once everyone's doubt is done. So doubts, any? Yes, Arnav, ask. Others, you can take the additional time now. Go ahead.
ma'am, we
Start
have
now.
to tell the answer in chat box.
Yes. And when I show you the answer, be fair with yourself. If you got it right, give yourself 1 point. If you did not, then don't give yourself point. Let's be fair. Yeah. Okay. Done. Fine then, everyone. Starting from now, 5 minutes. Say Jia. 5 minutes is too much. I think 4 minutes is good. Say Jia.
How many questions are there?
I've not checked it. Probably 20.
Okay.
I'll check it
Is
and
this
tell.
like a test or something?
Yeah, 15 questions only. Only 15 questions. Good for you people. We can save
And
some time.
Are we starting a new chapter today?
No. This is the one. That's all. Like if we finish it, then we can have the game.
Okay, ma'am.
Start answering. You can answer one by one. No need to answer all 3 together. Once question number 1 is done, go for it. Every question is very easy here. I don't think 4 minutes is what you need. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, what is the body's normal temperature?
I can't tell you. That was in the slide. Remember, I told you some
Ma'am, which
science.
slide? Which slide?
The slide I showed you last class. I told you there is some temperatures, there's some science part also which we'll be learning. Then we'll be doing the math part.
Ma'am, I seriously
Okay.
believe with that.
It's okay. You take a guess in that. No problem. Say Sadhna.
But ma'am, you told 2 numbers like this number to this number.
Oh yeah. So whatever comes in this range, Sadhna, go for that range. In the middle of it. I just thought you would be saying the answer. So sorry, I muted you. Manvik, hands down. Oh, you have a question? Okay, Manasvi, say.
Ma'am, we should write in notebook
Chat
the
box.
answers.
Both.
Okay.
You can write it in notebook also and then send it to me in the chat box also.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Bhumik, this is a test. I have not shared the
Measurement
test
test?
link. No. Temperature test. Freshly on your screen, not shared with you. Now you have to do it immediately. Guys, by the way, 2 minutes are over. 2 more minutes left. Oh, wow. Many of you have answered already. Good. All 3 of them. Very nice. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Bhumik, your hand is still raised. You have a doubt? Okay, very nice. Getting many answers. Shrihan, you need to write the question number, please. If you don't write the question number, I'll not understand which question are you referring to. Devashri received Shivanshi. Say Parth. Yeah. Samriddhi, Anirudh, Sanaya, Kanika. Say Manasvi. Naman.
Ma'am, I
Say Manasvi.
don't know what's the normal body temperature.
It's okay, Manasvi. It was taught last class. It was shown in one of the slides also. It was there in reading material. It's okay. Whatever you can remember, just use it. It's a test. I can't tell you anything in the middle. I'll start answering in 1 more minute. Say Riyansh.
Ma'am, there it's showing the chat disabled.
Riansh, you need to, okay, wait, I'll send you a hi. You have to go and click on that pencil icon and there click on my name and send me a message. Anyways, I have done it. So you go to that tab where you see my name and then reply where I have sent a hi. Say Rianshi, same problem.
Ma'am, what is the normal body temperature of
I
a human?
can't tell you. That is the answer of the question. We did it in the class. You people were not paying attention when I was changing the slides. I told you it was science. Say Anvita.
Ma'am, is it okay? I'm not getting the third one.
Yeah, it's okay. That's fine.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right, everyone, let's go. So it's time now. We'll start with the first question. The temperature. What do you want, Miss Janvi?
Ma'am, well, in the second one, I know the normal body temperature both in Celsius and in Fahrenheit. Both of the, I mean, there are both over there, and they both have the answers. What
Let's
are
see.
you referring to, Celsius or Fahrenheit?
If they have not mentioned, then you can tick both of them in that case.
Is it okay if I choose one?
Yeah, that's also fine. Okay, fine. So firstly, we'll do this. Wait, we'll do this. Have patience. We'll do this. We'll start with the first question. Okay. So for the first question, let us go and discuss this with Shivani. Shivani, you have done the first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell us what are we going to do here?
Ma'am, we have to minus.
So what are we subtracting here?
Ma'am, I'm subtracting 34 minus 5.
So therefore, we will be subtracting 34 minus 5 and getting the new answer as 29 degrees Celsius. So those who answered option B, please give yourself 1 mark. Now, second question is already answered by Janvi. So Janvi, why can't you just tell me the two temperatures, both of which are normal body temperatures?
In Celsius, it is 37 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit, it is this 98.6 Fahrenheit.
But did you read this part, Janvi? Hold on,
Yes,
guys.
2 degrees higher. In Celsius, it would be 39 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit, it would be 36.8 Fahrenheit.
Exactly. So when she checked her body temperature, she noticed it is 2 degrees higher than the normal body temperature. Now, one small thing which I want to explain here to you people. This is normal body temperature, right, everyone? This is normal, correct? Now, 2 degrees higher than the normal body temperature. If I increase 2 degrees, the gap, it's 39 degrees Celsius. Okay. I agree that this is also one of the units. But the point is that if I convert this back, will it work? 39 degrees Celsius will not be same number which will be 2 degrees higher in this. And the interesting part is, I'm so sorry. This question, if I increase 2 degrees over Fahrenheit, this will give me 100.6 degree Fahrenheit. So that is not at all in the options. So 2 degree higher has to go with 39 degrees Celsius. This option is not available only. Getting it? Where is Janvi? Janvi got it? This temperature is not
Yes, ma'am.
available in the options. So we will satisfy ourselves with option B. Clear? This ambiguity is introduced because when you go to higher grades, the only difference between what you're studying now versus what you were studying earlier would be, sorry, what you will be studying later is that there, you know, algebra comes in, we take a x, we take two conditions that if I had this value, then I would have got this amount. If I had this value, then I would have got this amount. So that is ambiguity. So this is just a small introduction of that. Everyone is okay with the second question? Any doubts? Then ask me. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, why can't we answer 37 degree?
The question is not asking you normal body temperature.
No, ma'am. If it will be 35.
Okay, it's a confusing word here. They want to, obviously they are not saying normal body temperature. They are saying Kavita's body temperature. That means they want to know that after 2 degrees increase, currently when she checked her body temperature, what is her temperature? So it was 2 degrees more, not the same as normal body temperature.
No, ma'am. Why can't be it 35 plus 2?
35 is not the normal body temperature. Her temperature is 2 degrees more than normal, and normal is 37. So I have to do 37 plus 2. Okay. Fine, everyone. 1B, 2B. Say, who is this? Bhumik. Bhumik.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
when second one answer will be D.
That is wrong. It is 2 degrees lower.
Ma'am, because 98.6 F, Kavita's temperature is 98.6 F plus 2F is equal to 100.6.
Yeah, and that is not in the options.
Oh.
Check it carefully, Bhumik. What are you saying? Okay, fine. Third one. So the temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. Well, this calls in for temperature conversion. So minus 5 multiplied with 9 by 5 plus 32. We will cancel a positive number with a negative number. So ultimately, I'll get a negative 1. Okay. And now I have a negative 1 multiplied with a positive 9. I know integers is something slightly new to you, but just remember this rule that when the digits have the same sign, the product or the quotient, that is division, both of them have this positive sign when both the signs are same, plus plus or minus minus. But when the signs are different, like minus 5 divided by plus 5, or minus 1 multiplied with a plus 9, when the signs are different, then the answer is always negative. Like here, the answer is a minus 1, and here the answer will be a minus 9. Okay. Now the thing is 32 and minus 9. So what is 32 minus 9? We will ask this to Shanaya. Shanaya, 32 minus 9.
Ma'am, it's 23.
And the answer of this question is also 23, which is B. Wait, Fahrenheit. Yes, Fahrenheit. Anyways, option A and D are out because they are in Celsius. So you can option eliminate them easily. And then you know if it is a negative temperature, it has to be less than 32. So that is also a way how you could have done it. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am, why aren't we subtracting it with 5?
We are not subtracting it. We are dividing it. Minus 5 is the temperature given to us. So we are dividing the Celsius by 5. That's the formula.
Why are we dividing it with 9, ma'am?
I'm not dividing it with 9. I'm multiplying it with 9. 9 is at the top.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So 1A, 2B, sorry, 1B, 2B, 3B. Give yourself marks accordingly. Okay. Fine. Now the next 3 questions on your screen, then we'll go for a break. 4, 5, 6. Your time starts now. Let me look at the question. Easy, easy, easy. 3 minutes. Starting now. 1 minute each question. Only question number 5 will take time. Rest all are easy questions. Warmer. The keyword is warmer. Oh wow, I've started getting answers. Good. Two more minutes, everyone. So many of you have already answered it. Perfect. One more minute. Okay, we are heading few seconds away from completion. Yes, Ibrahim, we'll start the fourth question with you. Riyansh, no answers coming from you. Should I send you some special invitation?
Ma'am, my chat is now also disabled.
Turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Video also not working. Okay, call your parents. I'll talk to them. They'll fix your chat problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone ready? Fine. Ibrahim, start with the fourth question.
Yes, ma'am. What? Okay. The instruction pizza say to set the oven at 338 Fahrenheit. If Shilpa sets her own oven at 18 degree Fahrenheit, warmer than the instructions said, what temperature did she set in the oven in degrees Celsius? So first we'll have to add these two. 338 and 18 degree Fahrenheit, which will come 356 degree
Thank
Fahrenheit.
you. That's the only thing we were supposed to do. Add it up and we got 356 degree. Wait a second. All the options are in Celsius. That's the problem. All of them should be Fahrenheit. The temperature given is in Celsius by mistake. That's a printing mistake. It should be in Fahrenheit. Yeah. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Manvik.
it took me time to understand the first question, how to solve it. So, I took all the time. So, can I do?
No, Manvik, hold on. We have to still convert this, no? Maybe one of the options is 180 also. So maybe we have to convert this, Manvik. So 356 minus 32 multiplied with...
now.
Yeah, let me complete this. Okay, I also thought that at a moment all of them are degrees Celsius. So I thought that probably there's a mistake. But no, that's a trip. So we'll do this one. Okay, guys, hands down, it's fine. Sanika, let's continue with you.
Ma'am, actually, I have a doubt in this question.
Okay, Anirudh?
excuse me, ma'am, may I go to the washroom?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Anvita? Doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Why are we putting it as Fahrenheit?
Because the temperature is given in Fahrenheit.
Now
Now that
but
the
they
answer is
asked
not
to
matching with
convert it
us,
in Celsius now, ma'am.
that's what we are doing in the next step, Anvita. So since all the temperatures are in Celsius and it's not matching with any of them, we will now be calculating it in Celsius. With the
Okay.
formula.
Okay, we should calculate it again.
Yes. Naman, 356 minus 32.
Ma'am, why did we plus, ma'am?
Because it's warmer. Warmer means more temperature.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me what is 356 minus 32.
Ma'am,
2 seconds.
Fast. Your time is up. I wrote the answer already on the screen, sir. Vedant. Yeah. 324. Did you get 324, Naman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then hands down. Vedant, 324 divided by 9.
36.
36. Okay, that's nice. And let's go to Mishika. Mishika, 36 times 5.
Ma'am, 180.
Correct. So 180 degrees Celsius is the answer. Quite tricky. For a moment, we thought that all of them should be Fahrenheit, but no. Option C is the right answer for the fourth one. Those who got 4C, only give marks to yourself only then. Okay. Sadhna, question number 5.
In the month of June, one day the maximum temperature in Delhi was recorded as 40 Celsius. What degree the temperature in Fahrenheit that day? Ma'am, 300 and 40 minus 32, we get it as 40 by 1 into 5 by 9. It's equal to
5 by 9
9 by 5.
plus 32.
So 40 divided by 5, 40 will be 8. So 8 into 9 equals to 72. 72 plus 32 equals to 104.
Option D, 5D. Thank you, Sadhna. 4C, 5D. Say, Mishika, what were you saying?
Ma'am, actually, I couldn't understand question 4. I got option D. Sorry, A.
A is the temperature in Fahrenheit. You have to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. So we did 352. 352 only was the number. No, what was the number? 356.
And 356.
356 into 5 by 9. Sorry, minus 32 into 5 by 9. Arnav, I can see you annotating. So when you do this, Mishika, you get 180.
And ma'am,
Okay.
Actually in question 5, thank you.
What? Say, Devashri.
I don't understand why we multiplied 4 by 5 and not 9 by 5.
I multiplied 9 by 5. I divided 40. So these are two fractions, Devashri. 40 by 1 and 9 by 5. So you remember while we were learning fractions, we learned that the cancellation is possible diagonally also. So I diagonally cancel these two numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Anirudh, next question is for you. Can you please do it fast?
Yes, ma'am. They are asking 39.5, and since they are asking the difference, we have to minus it. So 39.5 minus 15.4 is 24.1.
Thank you. Everyone got the same answer? Check. 24.1, option A. So give yourself marks if you got 4C, 5D, 6A. Okay? All right. Very good. Now, this is not mandatory, but I'll still leave 3 questions on the screen, okay, for you people during the break time. Now, if you are back from the break early, then very good. You can do this, or you can do this and go for a break. And in case you are not back early, you want to enjoy all the 5 minutes of your break for yourself, then in that case, come back and I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. Okay, it's easy. Fine then. See you in 5 minutes, everyone. Say, Bhumik.
Ma'am, this is which test?
I have not shared this test to anyone, Bhumik. This is temperature test.
Oh.
Okay. Welcome back, everyone. 2 minutes exactly from now for the people who have not done it. How? Okay. By the way, you can raise your hand and tell me if you have not done it. 7, 8, 9. Or everyone has done it. Should I not wait for anyone? Because I have got a lot of answers. Samriddhi Singh has not done it. Advika has not done it. What do you want, Manvik?
Ma'am, I've not done it. I was like thinking for like all this time that is it cold or hot? Like what is it? Whether it's 14 degrees Celsius.
This is a common sense question. So fine, you people, those who are raising hand, I assume you have not done it. So your time has already started and you have 1 minute left to answer. Come on, quickly.
Excuse
Say,
me, ma'am.
Advita. 1 second. Yeah, Anvita.
Ma'am, I did those 3 questions.
Good then.
Will
why are
you
doing
discuss
that?
it now?
Yes, after 1 minute.
I thought I heard you say my name. That's why.
No, that was Advika. Oh
Oh.
no. Say, Advika. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, are we gonna play a game today?
Yeah, depends. If we finish the 15 questions, then yes.
Ma'am, the time is up, right?
No, yeah, actually it is. Thank you. Fine then, everyone. Let's start with the 7th question. So the 7th question, we'll start with Nanika. Nanika, are you back from the break?
Yes, ma'am, but I have a doubt in this, like whether it's
Okay, no problem. Riyansh, is your chat working? Riyansh, are you back from the break?
Yes, ma'am.
Camera not working, chat not working. How would you answer in the class? Your parents did not come to fix it? Did you call them? Riyansh, I'll not allow you in the class if this continues. This was happening last class also.
And my chat is fixed. My laptop was hanged. Now.
1 second. Riyansh, chat is fixed.
Yes,
And I
ma'am.
have got the answers. Okay. No, I have not got the answers. Where are the answers? Extra 2 minutes are also out, Riyansh.
Ma'am, I was sending you, then you call me.
Then you do the 7th one. Say.
Ma'am, what is the weather like when the temperature of a place is 14 degrees Celsius? Ma'am, the answer is C, winter.
Okay. So this is like, why do you classify it as winter?
Ma'am, because 14
Option
degrees is not
elimination.
one.
Snowing and freezing will definitely be close to 0 degree or minus temperature. Summers,
And summer is not.
yes, summers is definitely not visible at 14 degrees. So therefore, we'll go with winter. Okay.
Winter.
Yes. Say, Advika. Okay, next question. We'll go to Janvi did it. So Samriddhi Singh. Riyanshi, you got a chance.
Ma'am,
Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, the boiling point of water is 212.
How do you know that? How do you do this? Sorry, I muted you by mistake, Samriddhi. Can you unmute?
Ma'am, I just know it.
Mm-hmm. You just know
The
it is not
boiling.
the way of doing it. So I'll go to someone else. Okay, wait, I'll come back. Manasvi, say.
And my answer is 100.
100. 100 is in degrees Celsius, right, Manasvi? They are saying it in Fahrenheit.
Ma'am, it's only 132 0. It's not written Celsius Fahrenheit or.
It is written here. That's why it's not written there. Dash degree Fahrenheit. Anirudh, say urgent.
No, ma'am. The answer.
Answer, you have already answered, no, Anirudh? Advika, say.
Ma'am, but how can it be winter? Because weather is like temporary and winter is like for a season, so it should be climate.
Don't go into so many specifications, Advika. They are just trying to refer to a general term, so it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The season, I know that, but they are typically trying to say that in a particular season, what is this temperature can belong to a particular season generally. Sometimes what happens in summers, it's heavy rainfall also one day, and some like few days back there were like hailstorms here in my place. So even though it's summer now and currently it was yesterday it was like almost 50 degrees, 45 degrees or something. Still, day before yesterday when there was a hailstorm, it was very low. It was the temperature went down to 10, 12 degrees. So that kind of things happen. We'll not consider that generally. Okay.
Ma'am, today also there was like a big storm in Pune.
Yeah, it's raining continuously. I know my friend is there. Say Manasvi. Your hand is still raised. Okay, Reanshi, say.
Ma'am, can I answer in the chat?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Keep answering in the chat. Don't. That is how you get marks. Otherwise, how would you get marks? 100 degrees Celsius. How do we convert it into Fahrenheit? Into 9 by 5 plus 32. So Manasvi, this is what you are supposed to do. You know that the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, but the answer is asking you the temperature in Fahrenheit. So Samriddhi just said, I know. I know is not the thing. So Samriddhi, when you are doing it in a math class, you have to tell us the formula also. So formula would be 20 here, 20 into 9, 180 and 180 plus 32, 212 Fahrenheit. Say Manasvi.
Ma'am, in my diary, I have written only B, but I don't know what happened. But
Okay. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, I just realized my mistake in the second question, like 3 seconds ago, that you just gave the answer before I could even correct it.
Okay. Yash, say question number 9. Now is having his dinner. Say Yash.
today's temperature is 80 Fahrenheit. Then the temperature drops. The temperature next day is 57.
So
So-
tell me the process, like 80 minus 10 or plus 10. What are you going to do?
80 minus 10 is 70. And again, if 70 minus 15 is 55. And then it went to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And then 57 was 57. And then the next day temperature is 57 Fahrenheit.
Thank you. So everyone, 7C, 8D, 9B. Okay, Jia, doubt?
No, ma'am, I wanted to answer.
We'll do that. I'm not allowing anyone, so why would I allow you, Jia? Don't make me do this and again say this. This is again wasting another 2 minutes of your precious time. If the clock strikes 8, 9:15 today, I will not extend. I have a class after this. So I would not be able to extend. So don't waste time, right? You are doing this by yourself. You heard I said no, Bhumik. You heard I said no, Anirudh. You heard I said no, Nanika. I myself remember all the people who I say no. It feels very bad for me as a teacher also to say no. Because I myself want people to answer. But the problem is that we need to give everyone equal chances. Otherwise, you remember, right? People like your parents are cool, Jia. But some parents come and say that, oh, my child did not get a chance. So I have to take care of everyone. Number 10, 11 and 12 on your screen, everyone. Let's go. Manasvi, whom are you talking to? Your time starts now. You can take 3 minutes to do this question. Today, I think everyone has got it. So, Jia, we can give you the 10th one. Ibrahim got it. Samriddhi Singh, Shrihan, Sadhna. Anvita has not got it. Anvita, number 11. And then Advika, Mishika, Naman, Anirudh, Riyansh. Nanika, you couldn't do the last question. So 12 for you. Vedant has done it. Manasvi, Bhumik, Devashri, Arnav has done it. Okay. Parth has done it. Sanika, Janvi, Aditi, yes. Priyanshi, Samriddhi, Shivani, Shanaya, yes. Yash, Manvik, done. So fine, very nicely distributed. So this one is for Jia, this one is for Anvita, and this one is for Nanika. Part say.
Ma'am, what is centigrade scale?
For the centigrade is Celsius, synonym, new name. Other name of Celsius is centigrade. By t-shirt, here they mean just a t-shirt, like just a T. Not for not for any particular purpose, but just a t-shirt deciding the temperature or deciding the season. All the temperatures are in Fahrenheit, so be careful. Because we are habituated to Celsius more. So, one more minute, everyone. Arna, what do you want? Don't say the answer.
Ma'am, what is this TF
What are you wearing right now?
t-shirt?
That is t-shirt. Few more seconds left. Speed up. Done. Jia, start. Number 1.
So, ma'am, in this I did option elimination. So, I got like 0 Fahrenheit. Couldn't be like 0 Fahrenheit cannot be the answer. Because, like,
It will be negative in Celsius.
yeah. And 5.
Cold. It's again negative in Celsius. Because 0 degree Celsius is 32 degree Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Okay, out. Then
And 90 can also be not.
90 can also be.
Not an answer. So I feel the answer is 40 Fahrenheit.
Why 90 cannot be the answer? 90 is the highest temperature possible in Fahrenheit. And that will, when you convert it back to Celsius, let's see how much you get. 90 minus 32.
This one.
You'll get a decimal answer, Jia. So just approximate it. What is the closest multiple of 9? Closest to 58. Just tell me the quotient. No need of the remainder. 9 times what is close to 58? Louder.
9, 6 are 54.
9, 6 are 54. So it's approximately 6 point something something, right? So if I take it 6 also, then 6 times 5 is 30 degrees Celsius. Yeah, perfect time to wear a t-shirt. Just like now, 30 degrees in summers, approximately summers, we prefer wearing a t-shirt. I'm also wearing a t-shirt right now.
I wrote 40 Fahrenheit.
40 is Fahrenheit, not Celsius. 40 will be 2 less. 40 minus 32. 8. 8 into 5 by 9. 8 into 5 is 40. 40 by 9. What is the temperature approximately? 9 times?
9, 4.
Yes. 4 point some degrees. Will you wear a t-shirt in 4 degrees? No, definitely. So we will all, everyone, 10C is the right answer. And the smartest way to do this fast is that you know the highest temperature in Fahrenheit will be the normal temperature in Celsius. So let's go like that. Okay, everyone understood? 10C. Anvita, number 11.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is A because The first question is Celsius is normally a lower number than Fahrenheit. That is true because Celsius is cooler than Fahrenheit.
Okay. Then second.
And temperature is measured in centimeters. No, ma'am. Temperatures is measured in like Fahrenheit,
Or
Kelvin, and Celsius. So centimeters it's false. Second one.
Correct. Third one.
Water freezes at 32 degrees on the centigrade scale. No, ma'am. Water doesn't freeze on 32 degrees because it only freezes at like 0 degrees or like that.
0 degrees Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit. So this was to confuse you. This is Celsius, so it has to be a 0. Very good, Anvita. 11A is the right answer, everyone. Is that okay? Check, check. 11A. Okay, then Nanika, number 12.
Okay, so ma'am, like in this we only have to do addition since the answers degrees are not different. So 47 plus 21 is equal to 68. So it's option number D.
Thank you.
Degrees.
47 plus 21 is 68 degree Fahrenheit, option D. So 10C, 11A, 12D, give yourself marks accordingly. Wow, it rhymes. Thank you, Nanika. All right, everyone done? Okay, so the next 3 questions are going to be the second round of questions for all of you. Okay, that means everyone got a single chance. Now, the next 3 questions are going to be new questions. So, what we will do is, let's have a competition for it. No, let's keep it lucky. We'll rotate, we'll randomly. I'll sing a song in the one on the one which on the one on which it stops. We'll give them a turn. So this time only 13 and 14 on your screen, because I cannot show you all the 3. It will be smaller. I can. Let me try. Yeah, it's easy. I mean, the 15th one is too easy. So yes, all 3 visible. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what to do.
Nothing to do. Just do the 13, 14 and 15 question. Answer them in the chat box. This time answer all 3 of them together. Put commas and write the question number and the answer. All 3 of them together only, please. All 3 together. All 3 together. Okay? Because I want to see who are the first 3 who answer it. All 3 together, please. Bhumek, you have to write the question numbers also. Without question numbers, I will not consider it. Oh, wow. We have started getting answers. Very nice. Write the correct question number. Otherwise, I'll get confused and don't tell me later. Alligator. Nanika, why did you answer it in an opposite frame? Anyways.
Well, I answered it like which one I could answer the quickest and
Oh, nice. Janvi, Riyansh, Manasvi. Okay, pretty good. So I first got, but I don't know your answers are right or wrong, so I cannot really give you ranks, but it's okay. I've received answers from quite a lot of you now. So let's go. So, Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey, donkey died, father cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Aditi, the first donkey of the day. Question number 13 for you.
A weather station predicted the temperature on Saturday would be 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the actual temperature was 11 degrees colder than predicted, what temperature was it? So, ma'am, first we have to subtract 85 with 11, which equals to 74.
Are you sure that's the answer?
Ma'am, I think so.
Subtracted final. Okay, that was just to confuse you. That's right. 74 is the right answer, everyone, because it is colder than predicted. So minus 11. 13D. Another time for doing Inky Pinky Ponky. So Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey, donkey died, father cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Boomik. Donkey number 2.
Ma'am, I am not a donkey.
No, if you are not a donkey, then I'll have to go and search for another donkey. Sorry. Fine then.
Yeah. No, ma'am, I am.
You will not answer the question.
I will answer.
You will answer, then you accept donkey number 2.
Yes.
What is the problem in donkey? I am a donkey. There's no problem in donkey. Only people around you have made these rules, okay? That we will consider donkey as a bad term. Why? Donkey is so sweet. Have you ever seen a donkey in front of you? That's so cute. Cute little creature will do. So cute. Say, woman, go ahead.
I'm doing 1 second.
Temperature in Stockholm. L is silent.
Ma'am, can you give me 1 second, please?
1 second done.
No, 1 second, no. 30. I'm sorry.
Bomek, many people are waiting. I'll come back to you after some time. Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey, donkey died, father cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Manvik. Donkey number 2. We'll keep you 2 only. 14th question. Go ahead.
Answering.
No, Bomek, now in chat box. Sorry, please. Manvik, if you're not ready, then I'll have to go for someone else.
Ma'am, is my answer wrong or right?
I don't know. You have to do it right now. If it's wrong, then I'll go to someone else.
Temperature in Stockholm is 0 degrees Celsius. Tokyo is 3 degrees warmer than Stockholm. What is the temperature in Tokyo? Ma'am, when the temperature is like bigger, then we have to of course add it, because if the temperature is lower, we have to subtract it.
Healthy
So the
answer.
answer is 3 degrees Celsius.
That's right. 0 plus 3, 3. Okay, 14B is the right answer, everyone. 13D, 14B. Last turn. Inky Pinky Ponky, father has a donkey, donkey died, father cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. Parth, go for it. Donkey number 3.
Ma'am, we use a thermometer to measure temperature.
Of course. Thank you so much. 15C. Now tell me your final marks in the chat box out of 15. Say, Aditi.
Ma'am, you wrote 14C.
But that is wrong, no? So you cannot give yourself marks now.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, you wrote 14C.
Oh, I wrote 14Cs. Okay. Sorry. 14B. Okay, fine then. Tell me your scores, everyone. Anyone 15 out of 15? Anyone? Samriddhi Srivastava 14 out of 15. Aditi 15 out of 15. Very good. Anirudh scores? Arnav 9 out of 15. Okay, good. Devashri, Mishika 13 out of 15. Very nice. Jia 10 out of 15. Very good. Shrihan 12 out of 15. Very, very good. Then we have Manvik 13 out of 15. Nice. Yash 11 out of 15. Nanika 14 out of 15. Very nice. Very good. Naman 8 out of 15. Very good. Then Sanika 13 out of 15. Sadhna 15 out of 15. Very, very nice. Janvi. Thank you, Janvi. 10 out of 15. My mom also calls me a donkey. This is the love of a mom. Ibrahim 15 out of 15. Very nice. Riyansh 12 out of 15. Shivani 12 out of 15.
Ma'am, I sent my marks.
Yeah. Parth 12 out of 15. Advika 10 out of 15. Vedant 12. Manashri 12. Samriddhi 10. Samriddhi Singh. Shanaya 12. Nice, nice. Arnav, please Arnav, don't disturb me in the middle. Arnav 11. Anirudh 14. Bhumek 14. Very nice. Very good. Riyanshi 13. Very good. Anvita 10. Very nice. Okay, done with all the scores now. Say Jia
Now we're gonna play a game.
now. Okay, Samriddhi. Same here. Srivastava.
It's my sister's birthday.
Happy birthday. What's her name?
Richa.
Hi, Richa. Happy birthday. Why are you watching this class? Go enjoy. Birthday, no class. Say Janvi. Okay, by the way, sorry, Janvi. Say.
Ma'am, I got 10 out of 15 because I just wrote the answer which made the most sense to me. Those most common sense questions.
Not like that. Sometimes we need to do it maths wise also. It's a maths test. Okay, last class we have played Battle Royale or something, right?
No, ma'am. It's Gold Quest.
Gold Quest we played. Guys, don't
Ma'am, you
don't
told me crypto hack today.
Crypto hack.
unmute.
Crypto hack.
You promised us
Crypto
last
hack.
class.
I promised crypto hack, I remember.
Crypto hack.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you.
Crypto hack.
Okay, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't unmute. That sounds really bad. See, this class is getting recorded, right? Okay, fine. Let me share. We'll have a crypto hack only. And hands down. Okay. I remember we discussed it. Next class we'll have voting. Okay. I'm starting. What did we do today? Temperature. Don't worry, I'll not give you a temperature quiz. It will take you 10 minutes to solve 5 questions. I'll give you multiplication problems then. No, it's easy. We have done that. Let's have.
Ma'am, 11 to 20 tables.
No.
Measurement.
Who is this? Tiny? Tiny toddler? Oh my God, I have a temperature worksheet, but it will take you ages to finish it. So let it be. I'll not give you this one. Let's have a revision test. Revision test on metric measurement. Yeah, who is this?
Bhumik.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Bhumik.
Sir, please do division question.
Okay, fine. Let's do division questions, everyone. Easy divisions, okay? 2-digit, 1-digit division, easy divisions. Okay, fine. Crypto hack. We have to finish this game quickly in 4 minutes, okay? We don't have much time.
Ma'am, are you playing?
No, I'm not playing today. Go to the main chat. It's okay. You don't have to include me. Main chat, there where there are 3 heads made. Click on that. And there, go to the game. Join with your name and then you can add any suffix. Suffix is okay. But if I see anyone's name which is prefixed, that means something before your name or your name in the short form, not accepted. Samriddhi Srivastav and Samriddhi Singh. You can write it. Okay, Samriddhi Singh writes it as Sammy, so it's okay. Samriddhi, you can write Samriddhi. That's fine.
Ma'am,
Okay.
do you like the accuracy first or the number of child that comes first?
I didn't get it. Mashika, say that again.
Ma'am, do you like that one child gets full accuracy or that the student gets first?
Oh, I like the one who has the most accuracy in all the games.
Ma'am,
Oh, Sanjay, you went to Richa's birthday. Oh, nice. You guys are friends. You never told me. Okay, fine. All right, then. Let's go. Everyone is in. Should I wait for someone? Ibrahim, Jani, Janvi. Okay, fine then. Always. You all can join in the middle also. No problem. So let's go. You all have the instructions with you. So directly go and choose the best password for yourself. All the best.
Ma'am, did you send the link?
Yes, Anvita, you did not get it. Go to the main chat and get it. in the main chat. If you want, I can send it to you personally also. 1 second. This is the one. Jia is sitting with a younger sibling. Samriddhi is sitting with her sibling. Naman also has a sibling. Nishika also has her sibling. Advika also has the very big sibling. Manvik, your sibling was also somewhere around you at that time when you were answering the question. Now she's not seeing your game. She is. Okay, she will come out of the car. Look, your face is coming out of the car. Fine.
Yes.
Yes, Bhumik, you also have someone next to you. Your mom is helping you, right?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Ask for her help. These guys are sitting with their siblings. You sit with your mama.
I am super pro in this game.
Oh, okay.
I am God. It is super easy to do.
Okay, sir. Enough. Devashri has got the first place now. Anvita Amma. Okay. Naman, why are you at 0, sir? Nanika, you don't understand the meaning of prefix and suffix? You have again written NPS nanny. Should I remove you from the game? You join again with the right name? Hmm? Suffix means after your name. Nanika, next time this happens, I will seriously remove you. Bhumik God is getting hacked by Arnav. Bhumik, what is happening? 1 minute and 25 seconds left, people. Crucial.
Oh.
39 seconds, everyone. 39 seconds left. Sadhna is at the top, 21.4K. Oh, Devashri has taken a position back. 28.5, 99.4, triple crypto this is, right, Devashri? Lucky you, lucky you. 10 seconds left. Advika has hacked Manasvi. Wow, how do you guess the password correctly? And we are done, everyone. Third place, Arnav. Second place, Sadhna. And first place is Devashri. Good job, good job. Well done. Claps for you people. Let's see the report card. Accuracy. Who is 100% accuracy here? Sadhna, 27 questions. Aditi, 35 questions. Very nice. Shivani, 27. Advika, 31. Manvik, 20 questions. Yash, 19 questions. All the names which I'm taking are 100% accuracy. Rayanshi, 11 questions. Manasvi, 6 questions. Good job. So I would then say that maximum is Aditi Einstein. You really did a great job, but Einstein's math was not that good. Okay, Advika, say.
Ma'am, should I tell you how I get the password of many people?
How?
Because I think of the gender, because most girls will want
Oh
cutie
my God, this girl used psychology.
and boys want all the stuff.
Harsh is already laughing at you. Say, Vedant. Say, Vedant, say, you need to say. Don't do like that. It's okay. Why are you doing it like that? Say.
Ma'am, one question. It is asking 16 divided by 8. I thought it was 3, but it was actually 2.
16
so
divided by
si-
8.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
2.
I
It is
thought
the
it
right
was,
answer.
I thought it was like
okay.
24
He
divided
did
by
a
8.
mistake. Oh, okay. Jia, say. Fine. Guys, time. Say, Jia, fast.
Ma'am, if you want anyone's the password, then it's easy. Cause like few are like me,
Yeah,
few are like
correct.
very cool.
Repeated.
Yeah, so I know, no, not repeated. It's like weird password. So you know which one is good one, so that person will choose the same.
Oh, okay. Manvik, say.
I was saying that, like, in the game, I almost hacked 7 times people. From like, almost 5 times the password was correct. And I stole, and for one person, I like stole like, more than 7,000 crypto.
Oh, wow, very nice. Samriddhi Singh, say fast. Guys, I have a
Ma'am,
class.
I
at
hacked
9:30.
at his password, ma'am, because he chose the least, ma'am, like the weirdest password they choose.
Smart. Say Janvi.
Ma'am, I remember once that I chose my password in CryptoHack in as 1 + 1 is 3. Whoever, so I thought no one would like choose me. Whoever hacked me would have really underestimated me.
Oh, last time I played crypto hack with someone, I kept my password as you a witch. Say Shania.
Ma'am, for the first time, I got 5th place, and I'm so happy. And also,
Wow.
and
Say
also like other people, like other people are like other
like-
people passwords in this generation is kind of weird. I like choosing weird passwords while
Oh, this dialogue has come from an above generation. Say Parth.
Thank you, ma'am. The class was great. Bye, ma'am.
Thank
And
you,
ma'am,
Parth.
the class
Bye-bye.
was amazing.
Thank you, everyone. So sweet. Okay, thanks, Janvi.
Ma'am, ma'am, the class was amazing.
Thank you so much.
Class was
One
fun. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye. 1 second. Anvita wants to say something. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am, I got 7th place, and I think I hacked Shivani or something.
Very good. Nice,
Ma'am.
Anvita. Say,
Ma'am,
Arnav.
what's the homework?
No homework, Arnav. We'll start a new chapter next class. Say, Ibrahim.
Bye, ma'am. The
Bye,
class
bye.
was great.
Thank you. Bye.
We have to wait.
No, Ibrahim. Bye. Eid Mubarak, Ibrahim. Okay. Aditi, say.
Ma'am, in every alternative turns, I got the hack.
Wow. Lucky you. Okay. Say,
Ma'am, the
Manasvi.
class was great.
Thank you, my Aditi. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Bye-bye.
bye, ma'am. Shared the secret. They are guessing their password by their genders. Now I am going to.
Do that in the next class. That's what we discussed. Okay, 2 minutes for my other class. Say boom, make fast.
Ma'am, did you?
Bye, ma'am. Class was amazing.
Thank you.
Dear,
Mansi. Bye.
Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 members, not the part 6. Members
Yes.
7.
Okay, boom, make say. I couldn't hear the full part.
4 members, not the part 5.
Oh my God, Boom is moving so much. Moving. Settle down. Yeah, say. Oh my God, he got stuck. Okay, Ibrahim, you were muting, unmuting. You were saying something.
I sent in the chat.
Okay.
आप ऐसे नहीं दे चुको
Bhumik, I couldn't hear you.
Team banna.
Okay, fine. All right. Oh, thank you. Thank you for. Okay, I said Eid Mubarak. That's why. Okay, Eid Mubarak again. Ibrahim, bye bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. The
Bye. See you. Thank you, Shivani. Bye bye, everyone.